Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace ABS module on BMW E65 E66 right here. We have the ABS light, traction light on. Okay, you can see the message right here, so stay with us. We'll have the video here now. We'll start on it on Auto Repair, guys, and we'll have video actually on World Mechanics about fixing the module itself. So let's go ahead, start on it, guys, and thank you for watching. So what we're going to do, this is the whole module right here. We're going to, this is with the pump and everything, but we're just going to remove the brains right here. And in order to do that, there is, you can see 6 screws, and the ones on the other side are not reachable. So we'll need to remove the air box now, okay, to get it out of the way. And once we actually do that, guys, we will need to relocate the tank, the coolant tank as well. So actually, guys, we'll try to flip the coolant tank on the side. Don't do that when the vehicle is hot. Because you don't want to melt a hose or something or spill coolant. If it's hot, it's under pressure if you break something not to get on you. So with a T, okay, T right now, Torx bit, we're going to remove those. Let me see, this is a T20 right here. And now I think we'll be able to carefully flip it on the side. Okay, you see what I'm talking about, like that. And if we get it out of the way, okay, that's where it goes there. You can see we'll be able, I think we'll be able to reach the bolts for the module actually right here. So we disconnected the sensor for the coolant level. Make sure that you disconnect the battery at least 1 hour before the repair, guys, before you start the repair, because otherwise if you install a new module you can burn it. You need to make sure you connect them in the right way as well. So we'll go ahead and remove the cable. Now what we need to do, you need to pull that thing out. This one never ever been removed, it looks like. Okay, when you pull it out, it will actually come up and you can slide it out. Okay, like that. Make sure that you don't damage anything in the way now. So now we'll have 6 bolts. Stay with us to see what else you need to do right here. They're more like screws, I think, or bolts. 3 on this side and 3 on this one as well. Those are with a T20. Okay, that's let me see where I left the T20. Okay, this is right here. Again, the links, guys, for tools and parts, we'll share them on our website, mechaniclifestyle.com, so feel free to check it out. So it's a little bit hard to reach now. What we're going to do with a 10mm, we're going to remove that bolt so we can actually pull it a little bit to the side. But it's important not to bend any of the brake lines, because that could damage them. You lose brakes, you're in big trouble. So we'll just go ahead and remove the 6 screws now quick, and we'll get back with you guys so we don't waste your time just watching us removing screws. Okay, so removing the last one now. It's very important not to hit any brakes now while the thing is removed. You just have to be gentle, okay, and you just grab it and you pull it out. Make sure that something doesn't come out. This is the, okay, all the valves and stuff. You have to be very careful here, guys. So that's how you guys remove it and replace it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll have a video how to rebuild this one on World Mechanics actually. We'll send it to a person to get it rebuilt. Otherwise you have to program them. We'll have a video how to program as well coming soon. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.